what it essentially does is this. The first thing it does is every transaction comes with a transaction fee these days. Real estate is no different, right? And in this state, with most companies, there's usually there's a transaction fee that's somewhere around $500. Well, the first thing is that anybody participating in this program, such as myself, we essentially agree to take that on and pay that for you. So in other words, that is a cost. That's $500 that you no longer have to spend. And then
that's typically a buyer expense.
That is that is always a buyer or a seller expense.
Right.
The transaction fee typically is not negotiated into
Okay.
yeah, it's a savings for either one.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. And then the other component of it is an agreement that you will get a 20% either credit or check, depending on whether you're buying or selling, off of the commission that I would be making on the transaction.